Alright guys, today I am going to make a little skid plate for Bowser. I've already got some stuff drawn out and I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm also cooking some boneless ribs. Anyway, what we're doing here is I'm going to take this old hood that I never liked and I had in my scrap pile. I'm going to cut down to there and a little bit there, down to there and a little bit there. And these lines will be bends. I'm going to drill some holes in this piece and bend it this way. This will be attached to the frame. This will be the part that's going to rise, or I guess drop down. And then this bend will go back and go under the transaxle. If I do it right, and this is strong enough, I shouldn't really need anything here, but I think if I have to, I can make some little L brackets to attach to the lower end of the transaxle. I've got plenty of angle iron for that if I need to. But I don't think so. I didn't have to on Little Red. It was strong enough with just the 4 bolts up here, depending on how well I get this bent and how strong this is. So let me get to cutting and get this cut out, and let's do some bends. Alright, I've only ever used this bending brake once, and I made a battery cover for Cow back before I found the actual plastic battery covers for it. I made it out of sheet metal. I'll try to show it right about here, right about now, and we'll get to bending that. That's about where I want that. Maybe a little too much, but I can bring it back out. So I want to bring this one up, so let me mark the back side. Whoops, just marked up my ruler. That should be good. All right. I need to do some cleaning. can't tell you how long I've had this metal brake. I've had it for quite some time. There we go. I'm going to clean up the edges, maybe clean it up and paint it, but that should mount on the frame there and go under the transaxle there. We'll see how that goes. You saw me drill the 4 holes. It's going to be this hole here, and I measured back 3 inches to this hole here. Put those 4 bolts in and I'll come back. All right, there we go. There's the 4 bolts, and just like on Little Red, this is pretty solid. I got to really pull to get it off the transaxle. So don't need anything back there, but that should help protect things from rocks. There you go. A little skid plate to help protect the transaxle is installed on Bowser. Catch you next time.